back to the channel, y'all. This is gonna be a quick review on a carbon fiber body damper I stumbled on that I got off of Amazon. Purchased it a little while back, finally arrived, and well, it's actually pretty nice, so check it out. So this is the body damper that I'm running at the moment, and this is the body damper that arrived from Amazon. So we're gonna give it a go. Goes together as so. 1, 2, and should look pretty spicy. So instead of just installing the body damper how I had it before, I relocated it so it's individual from the stay, and the stay slides up and down, real nice and smooth still. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Looks great. Now I'm on to making a floating gear setup. So instead of doing a full floating gear setup, I decided to go with this route because these are easy to get for people and I feel like it's going to work out really well. They're the copper eyelets that you get in the stock kits, and they fit in the empty space real nice and make it very smooth. Main thing about it, it doesn't allow the gear to move back and forth like it used to. So they're definitely, see, no jiggle. Definitely has a slight rock, so it's not binding, but it's definitely a lot more firm than they used to be. Welcome back, guys. We're here in the garage. Gonna get the car tested. Changed up a few things from last night and the previous little video clip you just saw. I actually installed some better front springs for the body damper to return because those other ones that I cut weren't doing the job. Let's see. I changed the weights, a little heavier weight, and I believe that is, oh, and added a little bit of front brake. So pretty much that's about it. Gonna get this guy going, and yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Saved itself. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. My whole review, I guess, on the body damper is totally useful. It's a nice little CNC piece from Amazon. You can definitely pick it up. I'll put the link in my description. You can also get these off Alibaba Express. So one or the other. So thanks for watching again. Subscribe, like, share. Later, y'all.